you guys came at me with guns drawn.
Hey!
No, hey, I'm the First Amendment.
You are taking pictures of our Hold on.
I heard something pop in my shoulder. This lady definitely needs to be off the force.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In December of 2022, Michael Luna was eating lunch with his daughter when they noticed a large police presence outside.
I want you to get down on your left knee right now, okay?
When they walked outside, they noticed the police were attempting the arrest of a homeless man and began recording.
Hey, sir. I need you to get down on your knees. Do you hear what I'm saying?
You got me paranoid. I'm scared. I'm not moving. This is all I do. You guys say this right here, and that's what I'm doing.
All right, sir. Listen to me.
I am
I do
doing
not want
this.
you to move. You're not where you're at right now.
During the man's arrest, one officer asks Michael Luna to step back.
Why am I saying your back, sir? I'm recording you, man.
Sir, step back. Go back that way.
I'm within the distance. I'm within the distance. You know I'm within the distance. You guys got it under control. Don't even start. Why are you guys doing this to me?
It does break your heart. He's homeless, so not sure who he was bothering.
What did I do? Yeah, but you guys came at me with guns drawn. Like I did something wrong. Like I was like beating the shit out of somebody. What did I do?
The alleged offense was that he swung a plastic wiffle ball bat at people walking nearby, and as the deputies took the man into custody, Michael, his daughter, and multiple other people on scene recorded the rest of the interaction. Nearly 5 minutes pass, and the onlookers continue to record from the public parking lot. Michael begins to walk away from the scene, stopping to film the inside of one of the patrol vehicles.
Are you taking pictures of our car?
No, hey, I'm the First Amendment auditor.
You are taking pictures of our car.
Hold on.
Hold on.
That's just one. I'm not
He's taking pictures.
Ow!
Well,
I don't know what's going on.
The violent arrest, ordered at the whims of Deputy Carlos, left Michael with massive contusions and abrasions, all for recording through a window from a public place. A legal and constitutionally protected activity, as there is no privacy in a public space, and the Plainview Doctrine works both ways. If the officer's computer is displaying sensitive information, it is the officer's responsibility
this
to
is
create
again
privacy. After Michael was taken into custody, the officers huddle to try to figure out what to charge him with.
It was the dumb lady with the green hat. She turned around and just said, "Arrest him!" And then all their minions went over.
I wasn't sure if it was the Asian that yelled it, but then I saw the other girl with the hat on start to bum rush with everybody else.
Well, they're not sure what to arrest him. Then why are they arresting him?
They could try all they want. That was on camera.
She's trying to explain herself.
All I heard is, did you just take pictures of my car? And then I seen everybody turn around and bum rush him.
They then take statements from Michael's family members.
Having so many family members and friends that are in the sheriff department, to be handled and treated like that is just really, really unacceptable in any professional manner. That's why personally I don't understand that.
Okay, yeah.
Where are you at?
Give me 1 second, I'll be right back.
Okay.
And only then, after everything had settled, they put up crime scene tape, prohibiting the family from taking their vehicle and leaving.
Yeah, he walked by the car and he looked in with his camera and they got upset by that.
That's when I pulled my phone out.
I know we all do. Our car's over there. They say we can't touch this stuff.
To make matters worse, they then released the homeless man.
Now they're gonna release the guy. Let's see. The one that he got in trouble for anyway.
Well, this is definitely getting interesting.
We recorded it for you. She just said she apologized to you?
They don't. That's not what usually happens. They usually don't do that. It was just the situation.
So, especially the homeless man, they arrested him, then they let him go, and I think they said he was swinging a bat at people, but makes you wonder if they let him go, would they also be able to let Michael go for just trying to videotape it?
What's her name and badge number?
I don't know her badge number, but it's Deputy Carlos.
Deputy Carlos?
If you want, you
0855.
Mine is Deputy Gomez, 628014.
And he'll be on the police report.
Michael was taken to a hospital but was denied sufficient treatment for the excessive force, after which he was taken to the sheriff's station and was charged with obstructing a police officer. He was finally released 5 hours later after being interrogated by a watch commander and a detective. He then transported himself to another hospital. Michael held on to this footage because the charges are so ridiculous he expected that they would be dropped the moment any prosecutor or supervisor looked at the videos. But his charges remain, and his arraignment date is on February 28th, 2023. I've linked below his GoFundMe, as he is still looking for an attorney to take the case. Michael tells me he will plead not guilty, and as all of you know, he will be moving forward with civil action against Deputy Carlos, Deputy Petrez, and the Los Angeles Sheriff's Department for violating his civil rights and extending their power beyond the constitutional limitations to their authority. We see videos like this almost daily, and for some reason, law enforcement officers across the country still haven't figured out that recording is not only legal, it is a constitutionally protected activity. Michael recently appeared for an interview on the Junkyard News.
I heard something pop in my shoulder. You know how they do it. They have to. I'm an old guy, fat, but yeah, he did it and he popped it. It popped, and even in the video, you hear, me telling him, "You popped, my shoulder popped." So it was an injury I didn't have, and and then it was, attached to where, I had the pain over here.
He exasperated your injury, if that's the.
Well, I didn't have a sprained shoulder, so he did that.
Oh, he did the sprained shoulder.
When I was in the hospital, I kept saying, "Can you please take the cuffs off? I'm cuffed over here. What am I going to run with the gurney?" They had me strapped. My feet were strapped, so I wasn't going to go anywhere. The pain was excruciating. She's the one who caused everything. Because of her, I was injured. This lady needs to be off the force. This lady definitely needs to be off the force. And the other guy that just, because there were tons of the deputies there. And why do you need so many people?
If you'd like to hear more of his story, check the pinned comment and description for a link to that full video. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so this is interesting, and I guess being a lawyer, I'm always going to see both sides, because you do have the police and the sheriff. They have a hard job because, they never know what they're going to suspect. You never know, like, situations there. You got a homeless man. You don't know if he's going to go berserk. You got a lot of domestic. And then you got bystanders like this Michael person. But given the uncertainty, it would be better if they didn't try to involve. Maybe the sheriff's overreacted, but I see why they did. It's unfortunate now because Michael's claiming an injury that he didn't have before. So not sure what to really get from here, because a lot of people want to do what they might think is their civic duty. They see something, maybe someone's not represented, or a homeless person, maybe they just need to record it. I know it's probably not a good comparison, but if you're ever flying in and out of the country and you go through to get booked back in the US, when you go through security, you're not even allowed to pull out your cell phone. So I don't know what we're allowed and not allowed in certain situations, but in a roundabout way, I'll be interesting to see. I might try to follow if he is able to get an attorney and if he does have any recourse civilly for his injuries. But every time I watch these, I'm always grateful if no one gets hurt or killed. So let's hope Michael's injuries are not that severe. I'm Darryl Isaacs, Kentucky Hammer, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.